Morning Shem Stars. Welcome to the class of.
Today we will discuss about the role of business in environment protection. For that, first of all, we have to know about the different causes of environmental pollution that can be caused by the business houses. Environmental pollution is caused by injection of harmful substances into the environment. The industrial units are mainly causing air, water and noise pollution. Air pollution means they are contaminating the air by discharge of harmful substances, harmful gases like carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide. So, this leads to warming of the earth and problem of global warming, ozone layer depletions, etc. Second type is water pollution. Water pollution is due to careless disposal of industrial waste and effluents into the water bodies that creates difficulty for the aquatic flora and fauna to survive. Next is noise pollution. Noise pollution means there is a certain range of frequency or decibels that noise can be tolerated in the environment. Noise pollution, this is becoming a very serious health hazard. The continuing exposure to noise can cause diseases like loss of hearing, cardiovascular problems, mental disorders, etc. So, we should install the instruments or the equipments that can maintain a proper noise level in the environment. Next is land pollution. The dumping of toxic waste on the land causes land pollution. This decreases the fertility of the soil. Excessive use of fertilizers, chemicals, pesticides, they all lead to pollution of the land. Why do we need to protect our environment? Environment protection is very important because it is required to reduce the health hazards. It needs to control the economic losses. It improves the public image. It maintains the natural beauty. It ensures the safety, everybody's survival, right? And business that plays an important role in environmental protection. Business can check all types of pollution of the environment. Business houses can take steps which help in controlling pollution and protecting the environment. First step is industrial waste should be recycled as far as possible. Before disposing of effluents into the water bodies or before the release of harmful gases into the air, they should be properly checked, and where possible, the waste should be recycled. Second is all types of emissions in air should be scientifically treated before their release. Third, plant and machinery should be modernized. This will not only help in enhancing production but will also help in containing the pollution. Various laws, regulations should be devised for environmental protection and should be implemented in the letter and spirit. Introduction of quality standards will also help in controlling industrial pollution. The standardized production methods will help in controlling noise and waste. Business houses should help in creating an ecological balance in the environment by planting trees and keeping cleanliness around their premises. Business concerns should set apart some funds for creating awareness about good environment and about the dangers of pollution. Proper awareness should be there among the people. The products to be developed should be very eco-friendly so that they can be disposed of and their decomposition is easily possible. This is the role of business in saving the environment from pollution.
If you have any doubt, you can drop on Google Class. Take care all of you. Thank you Shem Stars.